This is what Unreal Engine gives you out of the box, and honestly, it looks exactly like what it is, a placeholder. But you see, Epic just quietly released an official Niagara VFX pack on Fab. It contains bullet impacts, muzzle flashes, fire, smoke, and much more, and it's completely free, made by the same team that built Fortnite. And most Unreal Engine devs don't even know that this exists. So I'm going to show you how you can get all of this into your game right now. So this is the sample template, and as you can see, it contains a bunch of VFX that are absolutely insane. So let's go through all of them. First of all, we have a cool character with an insane muzzle flash and firing system that you can absolutely just steal and put it into your game like that. And we have different options like line trace or projectile if I press P, and this is a physical object that is better for multiplayer games. Then we have things like, bigger explosions if I switch of weapon, and look how cool this look. They have even like a camera shake embedded, and I mean the smoke and level of detail of this VFX are insane. Honestly, AAA quality. And if we go ahead and enter into this little section over here, we can see a lot of other VFX that Epic Games has prepared for us. For example, some fire and sparks, simple things like this, which actually render on top of objects. And these pickups, which are really cool because they literally add like a player buff and like an outline into the character model itself. And we have also one for a debuff, so you can easily just import them into your own game and customize them so that you have like little power-ups or things like that that affect how your character looks with a little outline and like a glow, which is super cool. And by the way, all of these effects are super performant, right? Because they're built with Niagara, with GPU things in mind, and it's just super easy to make sure that they render very smoothly. We have things like rendering static and skeleton meshes onto a Niagara system, which is insane if you want to be able to have like a character being as a particle. This is literally a Niagara particle. Then we also have things for like the weapon. As you can see, it's glowing, and then a debuff if it appears again. There you go. And yeah, this is the same concept of the character buffs, but instead of for the character model, just for the weapon as buffs. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. Then we also have some little torches here that you can easily add into your game with different colors. Very easy to customize, as you will see. And then we have the fun part. This is one of the best parts of this template, where you can go ahead and literally, just start shooting at different types of, surfaces. As you can see, we can preview it a bit better if you go over here. We have things like metal. We also have things like glass. As you can see, we have other types of metals, and last but not least, we have wood with the little details that appear. Let me get a bit closer. Look at this. And if I stand here, you can see a bit, in third person how it would look, where you can have enemy AIs shoot at different types of surfaces, and all looks super realistic and immersive, which is one of the most important things. And we get into this crazy section of the template, which is a literal kind of tower that is, showing some sparks as you enter, and it's like, imagine doing you a sort of whatever damage or whatever you guys wanna have it from here. And again, this reminds me of like, the Clash Royale tower or something similar, where there's like a spark and it just hits the character, and we have again that glowing outline. And I don't know, I love it. And again, you can literally use this for any game that you're building. All of these things are really cool, but how can you actually, use them and customize them in your own game? Well, let me go, for example, into the explosions folder. So you can see we have a bunch of Niagara systems for the dirt explosion, for this and that. You can just drag them and you can actually preview them. There you go. This is super cool. But imagine that you wanted to actually, make use of them and change a bit how they look, their size or something similar. Well, you just open them and then you have all these options for Niagara systems. So imagine that I wanted to change the size and the scale of this explosion, right? I wanted to make the smog bigger. Well, I can go ahead and use this little tool that I built called Build Buddy. And this is literally your AI teacher that is always watching your screen, and it will guide you step by step and tell you exactly where you have to click on the screen. So I can click on ask and say, how can I make the explosion sprite size bigger in scale? And then just click on send, and now Build Buddy will analyze your screen and it will see, okay, you have the Niagara editor opened, you are in this Unreal Engine version, and it will start to prepare some guided steps that you can easily go ahead and follow. But not only that, because on top of that, it will literally go ahead and tell you exactly on where you have to click on. As you can see, the first step is to select the explosion in the system overview. So I can see that Build Buddy is telling me, okay, click on the explosion module. So I can just select this. And once you select it, you can click on next step, and Build Buddy will again analyze your screen and verify that you did that step correctly. And if you did it wrong, it will readjust so that you actually are following correctly. And now as you can see, okay, we need to click on the particle spawn section. There we go. So we're here, click on next step, and let's see what now it tells us. Okay, so in the particle spawn section under sprite attributes, locate the sprite size mode. Okay, so we're here, so I can now click on next step, and then we increase the value to something. So instead of 10, let's do 50. And as you can see, the explosion is literally bigger in scale by just 50 or whatever that is. So Build Buddy just helped me go ahead and do something that I didn't know how to do in Unreal Engine. Now, of course, I obviously knew how to do this, but I'm just trying to showcase the power of Build Buddy, which is insane. So imagine that you had an Unreal Engine tutorial on YouTube that you wanted to follow. So what we can do is literally just go and copy the link, and then in Unreal Engine I can just paste the YouTube link into the chat, click enter, and Build Buddy is right now watching and analyzing the video. And it will literally go ahead and prepare a set of guided steps that you can easily follow. So just listen to the video. What to do is go into our first person character blueprint. So here, now of course you can use whatever character blueprint you're using. And there we go. Build Buddy saw that in the video, the YouTuber, which is me, funny enough, it said that we had to open the first person character blueprint. And it automatically paused the video for me. I didn't do anything, my hands are off the keyboard, and it generated a step, which is open the character blueprint. But then on top of that, it saw that in my content browser, I have a third person character blueprint that I can open, and it's literally aiming and saying, okay, open this up right now. So now we could go and complete this step by just opening the third person character blueprint, and then we can click on next step. So let's make that, for example, when we hold the E key, we'll basically pick up the object that is basically in front of us. So go ahead and find a nice space in the event graph, and then you type key E, and then go here, and there we go. So the E key. And there we go. It saw that on the video, the instructor went ahead and added an E key in the event graph. So again, Build Buddy went ahead and stopped the video for me because it's a thing that I need to do now, and it generated a new step, which is find a space in the event graph and type E, and it's on top of that aiming and saying, okay, right click in this empty area and add the E key, and then boom. So as you can see, Build Buddy is insane because it will literally make sure that you will never get lost anymore. And the best part is that you can download it for free right now. The link is in the description, and it's created 100% by me. I made it so that people will never get lost anymore in Unreal Engine. And it doesn't only work with Unreal Engine, it works with any game engine out there. But anyway, back on the template, if you wanted to go ahead and migrate a specific explosion or a VFX of this pack into your own Unreal Engine sprite so you can use it, you can literally just go and open the Niagara examples, then find the specific folder that you want to migrate on, and literally just go and right click, migrate. And Unreal Engine will automatically select everything that you need from that folder, so textures, materials, and the Niagara effects themselves, and then you can just click on OK, and then just find the content folder of the other sprite that you're trying to migrate it to, and then you just click on open, and then everything will be transferred, copy and pasted into your new sprite, and you can just use it. As simple as that. Definitely the explosion large is my favorite from this pack. I mean, it just looks insane, as you can see. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out Build Buddy and download it for free. The link is in the description. And now, yes, with that said, bye bye.